the last chapter we covered about all of the different types of viruses which are attacking the mobiles and what are the needs we need to take and what are the precautions we need to take and what are the types of credit card frauds and what are the different types of debit card frauds and how to prevent these type of frauds and also what we can make sure that how these can be disabled without getting caught by the cyber trained people. So the next topic we are going to phishing. So what is the phishing? Phishing is a combination of mobile and phishing. Phishing is a combination of mobile and phishing. Phishing attacks are attempted using mobile phone technology. Phishing attacks are attempted by using mobile phone technology. E-commerce is fast becoming a part of everyday life. If you use mobile phone for purchasing goods and services for banking, you should be more vulnerable to phishing scam. So we all know that nowadays everyone we are using different types of e-commerce websites like Flipkart, Amazon, and there are many websites. Also for education purpose we have Udemy, and also for banking purpose we are using different types of bank accounts or bank websites or bank applications. Also we are using our phone name, GPay, and Paytm, part of this. So while we are doing purchasing on these websites or applications, we must be careful while we are purchasing and also while we are doing any transactions, because we don't know when we are attacked by phishing attack. So phishing is a combination of mobile and phishing. Phishing means by sending any some messages or any attractive messages or type of scams. So these are called as phishing. So a typical phishing attack uses call terms phishing or messages known as phishing. So a phishing attacker uses calls or also sometimes messages. So attacker will pretend to be an employee in bank or other organization and will claim any for facilities. So what we will do? We will call as pretending to be the employee of a bank and then we ask our facilities like what is card number and how sometimes you ask for the OTP. You will generate something and you will ask for the OTP. If you give the OTP means, what will happen? We will ask for money or we will ask for information details. So we should not give any details to the third party people. If we have any doubts, we need to go to the bank directly. We need to speak to the bank officers directly. Going to the bank. So without going to the bank, on the phone we should not do any type of transactions or we should not give any amount of details. Attackers are very creative and they will try to confuse you that with the different reasons why they need the information from you. So what they will say, they say that we are calling from the bank and we need your details due to some reason in your account. Or they will say that your account has been closed, your account has been hanged. So we need to revoke your account. So we need to facilitate. That is what they will say. You should be very careful. If anyone says that your bank account has been closed or if your bank account is in hand, we should say that no, we will go to the bank itself or we will speak to our manager. That's what we need to say. We should not give any of our details to the third party person who is on the phone. Next topic, phishing. So phishing is a general practice of using social engineering over the telephone system. Most often using features facilitated by void to gain access to personal and financial information from the public for the purpose of financial fraud. So in the phishing, what they will do, they will use voice over internet protocol. And also what you will do, you will try to get our personal information to gain financial advantage from us. So what they will do, they will say that we are calling from so and so bank and we are calling from so and so customer services and we are getting some of the information from you. And they will generate some code and after generating what will happen, they will ask for the OTP. Sometimes we will ask for the password also. We should not give any of passwords. If we give them, we will ask for money. The type of combination of voice and phishing. Voice and phishing combination is called as phishing. Phishing is usually used to steal credit card numbers or other related data used in the identity scheme from individuals. So phishing is usually used to steal credit card numbers. Whatever they will steal the credit card numbers or other related data used in identity schemes. Used in identity schemes and it will be from individuals. The most probable uses of the information gained to a phishing attack include idea, purchasing luxury goods and services, transferring amount, money, monitoring the victim's bank accounts, making applications for loans and credit cards. They will make the applications.